Hey everyone, welcome to How to Experts. In this video, we're going to show you how to get ChatGPT 4 API key. First, open your browser and then search GPT waitlist. Now, go to the first link as shown here. Once you're in the website, you will see ChatGPT 4 API waitlist. And then you will see this message that says, we're making GPT-4 available as an API for developers to build applications and services. From here, scroll down and fill in your information, like your first name, last name, email, your company name, your organization ID, and then choose why you want to use GPT-4 from the options given here. As you can see, there are a few options like build a new product, integrate into an existing product, general exploration of capabilities, and lastly, academic research. After you're done choosing, type in your specific ideas that you want to implement on GPT-4. Just write what you want to do with GPT-4 in the box below. After that, just scroll down and click on Join Waitlist. Also, if you want to know more about GPT-4, then you can scroll down and click on Read More about GPT-4 or click on Try on ChatGPT Plus. And it's done. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.